Hey guys, welcome. Let's in this video tutorial to review these microphones. This is new series BM800 stereo microphones. So let's see. So guys, see here how to connect and how to operate the whole things has been given here in this, and this is a product service warranty card, so we will read it later. This is your filter cover of your microphones. So see guys, this is a BM800 microphones. Here this is filter cover, so you can here, and this is your wire of this microphone, so we will connect here. See guys, now this is your stand. So how I will connect it? First of all, here, now then I will connect once again this wire jack to BM800 microphones. Now see guys, this is your connector wire, so directly we can connect in PC or laptop. See, this is a sound card. If you are recording and at the low volume, if the vocal sound is not coming in a higher scale, in the situation you can connect this sound card into PC or laptop. Then you have to connect here. This is your 4 microphone, so you have to connect here, and you can raise the volume of this by accelerating then. So guys, especially in a next video tutorial, I will show you that how the sound quality is coming off this BM800 microphones. If you are a YouTuber, as well as if you're planning to record any video with a good vocal as a studio sound in your video, then it's a good one. And if you would like to purchase, I have given below the description box, there is website link. From there directly you can purchase this BM800 microphones. So guys, here I will check the sound in the next part 2 video, that how the sound quality is coming, as well as noise is coming from the background or not, and how quality and at what scale we can give a good vocal sound or not. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. So thank you for watching. Have a great time.